Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a great show for today, guys. We got a very important show today, guys. We're gonna be talking about some very good things over here on crypto. Let's see how the world is behaving. How y'all doing today, guys? It's all good, all good. It's kind of a gloomy, dark kind of stormy kind of day. It's kind of raining a lot outside. So I do tell you right now that if the stream goes down, the power company went down with it. So how y'all doing, guys? It's all good, all good. Having a fantastic day. I hope you are too. Let's get our charts ready. Let's get ready. Let's get rolling. Let's get into it. Let's see if we can make some money today. So how y'all doing? From what platform are you guys looking on me? I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm streaming over on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Big shout out for everybody on the TikTok. So how y'all doing, guys? How you all doing? Let me see who's in the house today. Big shout out to Ernesto over in the TikTok. Ernesto Rodriguez Morales Gonzalez. How you doing, Ernesto? It's all good, all good. XRP, baby, that's it. XRP Army, where you at? We are many. We are strong. How you all doing, guys? Big shout out to Kimmy Anderson over on Sweden. What's going on, my man? It's all good, all good. You guys are watching me from Sweden. I'm even playing on Sweden, my man. Come on, don't get any better than that. Big shout out to you, Sweden. Thank you for big shout out to you, Kimmy. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the follows. How you all doing, guys? Guys, make sure that whatever questions you have, any comments whatsoever, write it down on the chat box on whatever platform you're watching me on. I will be doing my best to read everything out loud and answering whatever questions you guys have. Ask me anything. I'm here. Any crypto-related news, any crypto-related questions, go right ahead and ask them. I will do my best to answer everything you got. Make it difficult, you know? Make it difficult. See what you got. Or if you just want to say hi, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box, guys. I'll shout it out. I'll shout out. I'll give you shout outs. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see who all gets here. We are blowing up over on the YouTube. We are blowing up over on the Twitch. We got Kick. We got Instagram. We got everything, guys. There's no excuse to get the best trading advice, crypto trading advice. Let's give it a few more minutes. Set up our charts, guys. Do you got your charts ready? Let's go into it. If you have any coins do you want to look at, anything in particular whatsoever, whichever coin you want to look at, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. If you want to do some technical analysis on anything you want, go right ahead and write it down in the chat box, and I will do my best to give you that playable scenario on what to do with those coins. Ernesto over on the TikTok is super active. What's up, Ernesto? You saying XRP? Hell yeah, we always look at XRP, my man. You should see my XRP trade. Stick around, I'll show you my XRP trade. Look at this, guys. You know what? I'm gonna give you a sneak peek right here. Check this out, guys. This is my XRP trade right here. Look at how much. Look at this. 56% on my first trade, 28% on my second trade. XRP blowing up, guys. Stick around so I can show you how to catch these mega pumps so you can also bank on XRP, guys. XRP going to the moon. It is what it is. Let's go. Hope you're taking advantage, you guys. I hope you have a little bit of a bag of XRP. You're not gonna regret it. You're not gonna regret, guys. Lo-Fi Guy, thank you for the follow over on TikTok. Jacob, big shout out to you, Jacob. Thank you for the follow on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Jacob, and big shout out to you, Lo-Fi Guy. I got some lo-fi music playing out right now if you guys want to listen to it over on the TikTok and the YouTube channel. Unfortunately, I still don't have a stream key over here on TikTok, so I got to record my screen using my phone or my iPad. And it is what it is. You know how it is. It is what it is. You know how it is. We're going to give it a few more minutes, guys, just to see who it gets here. Big shout out for everybody who's here with me since the beginning. We're going to give it 6 more minutes, guys. 6 more minutes, and we'll start the class. Lo-Fi Guy saying, listen to my music over on my profile, bro. Hell yeah, I will. Dude, I love lo-fi. I love the lo-fi. I'll give you a shout out too right there, my man. Lo-Fi Guy. Go ahead and check him out, guys. Over on the TikTok. Why not? Jacob saying XRP is on fire. Hell yeah. And so is my trade. Anybody here from my copy trading group? Are you following my trades? Following my signals? If you're not, go to my Discord, guys. Link on my bio or in the description of this video, right below this video, wherever it is that you're watching. Go to my bio. Look for the link tree. Go to my Discord, guys. I give out the signals and I give out all the entries that I do. If you want to jump in on my entries, go ahead and join my copy trading group. And to do that, you got to be part of the Discord group. You're missing out if you're not part of my Discord. Go right ahead and sign up, guys. I'll see you there. Any questions that you guys have, I'm always there 24 hours a day. If you want to do some analysis on whatever coin you're super scared on going in on a trade, you're not 100% sure, go right ahead and go to the Discord. Ask me. I'll do the trades. I'll do the analysis with you. It's completely free. Go right ahead. XRP on fire, guys. XRP blowing to the upside. It is what it is, guys. If you guys are not following the news, you'll know XRP about to explode. We're going to look at it today. Go to 4 more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes and we'll start the class. We'll usually start like around 5:10. So we go to a few more minutes. Let me get some water. Get ready for this analysis. Yeah, I drink that water. I get too excited, guys. XRP makes me excited. What? You know how it is? Get our charts. Let me get rid of this. So big shout out for everybody who's watching me all around the world, guys. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the follows. And thank you for the comments also, guys. Make sure you follow me on every stream, every social media account that I have. Everything is on my link tree. Go to my bio and follow me there, guys. I stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So if you want to get notified, make sure you follow, you subscribe, you like, you do what you got to do on whatever platforms that you are at. If you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream over here on YouTube. I stream on YouTube and every other platform every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. So do what you got to do, guys. Do what you got to do. Also, guys, if you are signing up to my Discord, make sure that you verify your account over on the Discord. I have a verification bot, and that's how I filter out all the bad players, all the bad bots, and all those stupid shit that happens in Discord. All the scams and whatnot. So make sure you subscribe to the Discord and you get verified within the Discord group also. Okay? It's completely free. And any questions you guys have during the day when I'm not streaming, go ahead and write it down on the public chats, and I will do my best to answer the questions. And if I'm not available, best believe there's going to be someone there to help you out. A lot of the users over on my Discord have been with me for years. They know pretty much everything I know. All right. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes, and we'll start the class. Big shout out. Guys, have you gotten your cold storage wallet? Have you ordered it? Did you see yesterday's stream? Make sure you get your cold storage. Get out of the ledger. Get out of the ledger, guys. Get into Pal. Hope you saw yesterday's stream, me explaining why. If not, we'll go over it today also. Make sure you get that cold storage. Get your crypto out of exchanges and out of platforms. You'll know. The biggest risk you got is that it's not your crypto. Not your keys, not your crypto, and there's not a damn thing you can do about it other than take it out of the exchanges, take it out of the platforms, put it into a cold storage device. But fuck Ledger, we're going to talk about today. We're going to get rid of Ledger, and we're going to stay with our Pal. We're going to exchange everything there. We're going to talk about it today. We're going to talk about it today. One more minute, and we'll start the class, everybody. 1 more minute. So big shout out for everybody who's here. Big shout out to Judy Lidio. Judy Lidio over on the TikTok saying, done joining Discord. Hey, welcome to the Discord, Judy. Thank you for the support, my man. You will not regret, and I will not let you down. Any questions, anything you want to learn, anything specific, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box, whether here or on the Discord. I will do my best. And make sure you subscribe to all of my streaming platforms, whichever one you want. Whatever is your favorite. I'm streaming everywhere. No excuse to not get the news, guys. All right, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. So let me get my charts ready. Let's go to tradingview.com. You'll know how it is. Tradingview.com. That is the one and only tool you'll ever use for your analysis. So let's go into it. Let's go to tradingview.com. What happened? Didn't open my TradingView? Tradingview.com. Where's the TradingView? Here it is. Tradingview.com, and I always start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin. It's going to pretty much repeat on everything else. Right now, I'm looking on the daily chart. I always start with the daily chart first. Why? Because the daily chart gives you a micro point of view. It says we always trade in favor of momentum when we got to figure out what momentum is doing. What direction is the price of Bitcoin going? Because wherever the price is going on Bitcoin, it's going to pretty much repeat on everything else. So if you're going to do your trades, do them on Bitcoin. Why not? You're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin. So the first thing that I do every single time I go into looking at what the hell is that coin doing is that I always zoom in on the daily. Kind of like what you're looking on the screen right now. And I like to look at the last 3 candles on the daily chart. And what are those candles doing? Well, they look like they're confused. See, they have a bunch of T candles right next to each other. And every time I see a T candle next to another T candle, next to another T candle, next to another T candle, next to another, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 T candles in a row. That means that there is a breakout happening real soon. Why? Because there is no volume to decide. There is no money flow to decide what direction or what army is winning this fight. Is it the red army or is it the green army? It's completely confused. And if the market is confused, hell yeah, I'm even more confused than ever. So what I'm looking on the screen right now, all these T candles together, that just gives me a major warning sign. Warning, warning, warning. Do not trade this because you're probably going to get wrecked. In other words, there is a 50% chance of where the price is going to go. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. I don't know, so I'm not going to trade it out. I'm going to wait for the market to clear out and give me clear direction. How do I know where clear direction is coming from? Whenever I see a candle like these. See, these type of candles that don't have a wick on the top and a wick on the bottom, that you don't see that thin line, those are good candles. Those are market candles. Those are directional candles. Whenever I see a candle going like that, that is the direction that I am betting that the price is going to go. Okay? Until it doesn't. So I follow momentum. I see a red candle like this and it pushes to the downside like that. I know that the price is going to go down. So I'm going to trade in favor of it. I am going to say that the price is going to go down. And I make a short and then I bank on the way down. Make sure that you set up your stop losses just in case it doesn't go your way because this fucker can flip around at any moment. So right now on the daily chart for Bitcoin, we are still holding strong to that thin line to the sideways action. And in sideways actions, you just cannot trade, guys. So if I was you, I would wait it out. I would step back. I would do something else with my life. I will not trade this at all. So I'm going to give it my stamp of no trade zone. Just like yesterday, we've been on this goddamn no trade zone for more than a week already. God damn, Bitcoin, do something. Come on. Up or down, do whatever the hell you want to do, but come on. Do something. We're still stuck on that zone right there. Let's zoom out a little bit on the daily and let's do our Fibonacci. We always got to do our Fibonacci retracement. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high, so we got to do our Fibonacci. And on the Fibonacci alone, are we trading above or below the golden zone? No, we are not. So with that said, what is the golden zone? This, just in case you don't know, is this zone right here, the 0.5 and the 618. If you do not see an asset within the 0.5 and the 618, within that zone right there, that is not a tradable asset. I am going to wait for the price to drop to that zone right there. Why? Because that zone is the highest demand zone. Whenever an asset is within that zone, that means that there is a lot of people who are willing to buy Bitcoin at those prices. Okay, so I'm going to trade in favor of the market because the market always wins. So I'm going to trade. I'm going to do what they do. I'm not going to go against the current in no way, shape, or form. Or am I even going to try to catch a top or a bottom? I don't do that. If it's within the yellow zone on the Fibonacci, the 0.5 and the 0.618, like I have drawn on the screen right now, I buy that asset, whichever it is. It can break to the downside. Of course it can. It can explode to the moon. You never know. But the best and highest demand zone of any asset is within the fire sale zone, especially the bottom of it at the 618, that golden ratio zone. So for Bitcoin, guys, I'm still on the ropes. I am not going to be trading Bitcoin on this cycle until it reaches the golden zone. I believe that maybe there's going to be a little bit of a pullback to that zone. I don't know when. I can never tell you when that is going to happen. Stick around, look at the charts, set alarms, and see if it actually plays to that. See if it actually reaches that zone. And if it does, start stacking up on some Bitcoin, because that's what I am going to be doing. I'm going to be longing Bitcoin as soon as it hits 23,000. Okay, high demand zone, high resistance support zone. Yeah, looking like a snack when it reaches 23K. So my entry price for Bitcoin, 23,340. That's where I'm going to start buying a shit ton of Bitcoins. Do with that information as you may. This is not financial advice. Of course, it's not. This is just how I am going to be. I'm just pretty much recording what I'm doing, okay? This is how I'm going to turn my crypto into the moon. Okay. So $23,340 is my entry price to get in on Bitcoin. Okay. I'm going to long it or I am going to buy it, however I feel that day. But I'm definitely stacking up on Bitcoin as soon as it reaches 23,340. Okay. Put an alarm on your trading view and see if it actually plays out in the coming future. Or it could go to the moon by tomorrow to 100K and I'm full of shit. Moving on to some Ethereum action. All right. So what is Ethereum doing right now? So Ethereum, let's do the exact same thing. I do the exact same thing for all the coins. I go to the daily and I zoom in. Now, what is Ethereum doing right now on the last two candles? So we had an indecision candles, many indecision candles. Why? Because Bitcoin was having an indecision time. And now Ethereum kind of decoupling a little bit from Bitcoin, saying, you know what? You ain't going to tell me what to do. I'm going to go to the upside. And that's exactly what Ethereum is doing right now. Check this out, guys. Boom. We have a nice green candles to the upside on Ethereum. Now, that is a market clarity candle. That's the type of candles that I like to trade. I don't go for guesswork. This is all guesswork. It's a 50-50. It can either go up or it can go down. This one, it's going to go up. So on Ethereum, I would trade to the upside to Ethereum. I can never tell you a top or a bottom, but I know that direction is to the upside. Do with that information as you may. If you're looking for an entry price, knowing that the price is going to go up because you have that nice green candle to the upside, let's now zoom in. Let's go to that 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, then we try and find a good entry price for that trade. We're going to do the exact same thing. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high, meaning that we have a shark fin formation. Okay, look at that triangular formation like that. That's what you're looking for to draw what? Your Fibonacci. Let's do the Fibonacci retracement to on the 15-minute chart and see if it's trading within the golden zone. Check this out, guys. This is what I'm talking about. We got one touch. We got two touch. We got three touch. Boom. To the upside. Finding support within that zone right there. It was pretty much telling you over and over again. It's going to bounce. It's going to bounce. It's going to bounce. It's going to bounce. It was right there. It was right there in front of you. Okay. Every single time it touched the 0.5 to the upside. So it's pretty much telling you that Ethereum was going to have a nice little green candle coming real soon. Okay. Do with that information as you may. If you want to trade this to the upside, make sure that you trade it to the long side wherever it reaches within the fire sale zone. A good entry price to go in on this longing opportunity is down here at the 618 at 1,840. I believe this is the same price that we were looking on yesterday. So 1,840 could be a nice little bounce point to get in on Ethereum action. Do with that information as you may. Put your alarms, put your limit buy orders, or put your automatic trades in, because that is what I am going to be doing. I am going to be longing Ethereum when it reaches 1,840, and I am going to be longing Bitcoin whenever it reaches 23,340. Okay, 40 all the way, guys. 40 all the way. Big shout out to Yasuke Musa for following me over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Yasuke. Big shout out to Spicy Genixer for the follow over on the TikTok, guys. Even bigger shout out to JJ for the follow over on the TikTok, guys. I wish there was a way to, like, I don't know, like give you guys automatic shout outs, like stream labels that you can have like your boom, like you follow and you can see the. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that yet. Big shout out to E for that rose. I don't even know what that means, but thank you a lot. How you doing? Thank you for that rose, my man. Thank you. Thank you for the join. Thank you for the support. You guys are going to make me cry. Guys, let's go back. Let's go back into the technical analysis. I'm going to cry because you guys are making it awesome, guys. This is why I stream. I stream it for you guys. I give you the information. You do whatever you want to do with it. See if we can make some money. We can make some money. So on Ethereum, guys, telling you, hey, boom, boom, boom. Look at this price action here. Boom, 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 boom. To the upside. Boom, 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 boom. Could we have another? Could we have another pull to the downside? We could. And if we do, we catch it at 1,840. Okay. Thank you. Well, then big shout out to you, my man, for the donation on the rose. Just to hear the shout out. I'm trying to make it as exciting as possible, my man. Let's make it happen. Spicy Genixer over on the TikTok saying, I am waiting to go to the moon. We all are. Let me tell you right now. I bought XRP. My first XRP price action was less than a cent. Back in 2012 or 2015, I don't remember the last time I bought XRP. The first time I bought XRP, but it was a long ass time ago. I've been waiting for that XRP pump to go to the $5 mark for 10 years. Almost 10 years. What's a few months? What's a few months? Come on, guys. We're right around the corner. We are right around the corner, and the math doesn't lie. We're going to look at it when we look at XRP, guys. Let's keep holding on to them bags. We're going to get this settlement. We're going to win this lawsuit, guys. I have faith that we are. It's going to happen, guys. $5 XRP right around the corner. Well, let's go to the moon, guys. Ethereum trading within the 382. It found support on the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2, get that breakout out of the 382. Did we get that breakout? Yeah, it's kind of happening right now. That's super good to see. Could we have a pullback down to the 1800, the Fibonacci golden zone? Yes, we can. And if we do, we are longing Ethereum if it reaches 1,840. Right now, kind of missed the boat because I wasn't looking on Ethereum. This is why you set up your alarms. This is why I'm constantly scanning the trades every single day at all time. Because these things just come out of nowhere. You got to take advantage, you know? So Ethereum, another coin looking kind of saucy to the upside, guys. Take advantage of it. Do what you got to do. Moving on. Let's move on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. Where's my XRP army at? Big shout out for everybody who has a bag on XRP. Look at this very beautiful price action to the upside, guys. Let's check this out. Let's go to the daily chart. We always start with the daily chart, guys. We like to look at that macro point of view. What is XRP doing? Look at this. To the upside, guys. Momentum. Let's zoom in. What are the last 2 candles doing? The last 2 or 3 candles on XRP doing? Okay, so we have a little bit of a price action up, then a little pullback to the downside. If we have a low and we have a high and we have a pullback on the high, then we can do our Fibonacci retracement. So, guys, let's zoom out. Can we do our Fibonacci retracement? Yes, we can. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pull back on the high. I'm going to make a jingle with that. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pull back on the high. And it pulled back all the way to the golden zone on the Fibonacci. This yellow line that I have drawn right here, that's 618. That was your signal to get in on XRP action. To long XRP. And if you don't believe me, you think that I'm full of shit, look at my trade. I got in on exactly when it bounced right there. And look at this beautiful 48% on my trade, guys. I'm enjoying this 48%. My entire copy trading group is enjoying this 48%. And they're taking their profits whenever the hell they want to. Don't miss out, guys. Be part of the Discord. Engage over on the Discord. Ask me how to participate in my copy trading group. It's completely free. Why not jump in with me when I do my trades? Guys, XRP bounced out of the 618. So that is rule number 1 on the Fibonacci. Rule number 2, we got to break out of that 382. Break out of the 382. That is rule number 2. Rule number 2, got to break out of the 382. I got to say it a million times because some people just do not understand what I mean. That this can actually run back down to 42 cents if it doesn't break the 382. Big shout out to Evelise over on the YouTube. What's up, Evelise? It's all good, all good. Evelise is one of my star students. She's awesome. Make sure you follow her also on the Discord. Big shout out to Tato Gaming. Tato, how you doing, my man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. What's up with you? What you doing? Have you moved out yet? Have you moved out? Have you settled in, my man, Tato? Bro, nah, man. You the man. You the man, man. I'm awesome. You're awesome. Yeah, no, Evelise, it's freaking pouring in here. The thunderstorm is ridiculous. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys. If the stream goes down, probably most likely the power company went down with it. So if it gets cut off, you know that hey, my lights went out. But it is one hell of a storm happening right now. It's raining like crazy. I can't even look outside, and I can't even see my car from outside the window. It's a lot of water. And I'm getting warnings of all these flash flood warnings from everywhere. I'm like, you know what? I'm not going anywhere. I was going to go get some sushi. Fuck the sushi. I'm going to stay right here. Shit, I'm a Uber Eat. Somebody else can take the risk. Tato over on the Twitch channel is saying, nah, between Friday and Saturday. So you are going to be moving from Friday and Saturday. This Friday and Saturday? Cool. Cool. Joe, my man Joe. Big shout out to Joe. Without Joe, there is no show over on the YouTube channel. What's up, my man? It's all good. You still holding strong to the copy trade? Are you enjoying this 48%? Man, we have been trading within that 50% gain for a long, long time. We've been on this trade for like a week? Come on. I mean, I'd rather see this 48% positive than 48% negative. That's for sure. Tato Gaming saying, if you haven't noticed, Twitch shows as if your stream is a rerun instead of live. Really? How the hell do I fix that, guys? I'm Twitch. Let me check out Twitch. How do I fix that? How do I put a live instead of a... I don't even know how to do that. See, this is what happens when you restream. You can't see every single... when you restream. How do you know that it's when it says rerun? Oh, on the top right corner here it says rerun. That is crazy and trippy. Look at that effect. This is the multiverse, Diego. I'll check it out. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to fix that it looks like a rerun. Why would it say a rerun if I'm live right now and I'm using OBS? It's tied to the Twitch. I don't know. You know what? Let's skip this. Forget about it. It is what it is. We'll take care of that later. But thank you for letting me know it, Tato. I'll look into it. I love the Diego verse, right? The multiverse, Diego. I'm one of those multiverse. I'm rich. For sure. If balance is within the multiverse, one of those multiverses, Diego, I have to have money. XRP is already at $100. The Sensei verse. Ooh. That's actually a kick-ass name for a YouTube channel. Sensei verse. Crypto Sensei verse. Why not? Why not? So moving on, guys, we were talking about XRP. We're always talking about XRP, guys. XRP bounced out of that 618. We need to break out of that 382. If we do not break out of that 382 coming real soon, we're going to be retesting back down the golden zone at 42 cents. So if we go back down to 42 cents, best believe I'm doubling down. I'm doubling down on XRP if it reaches back down to 42 cents. Do with that information as you may, whatever you want to do with it. I'm going to buy more XRP if it goes back down to 42 cents. And if it goes lower, I'm going to buy even more. Okay? Target price action just in case it goes down. I don't see it going down, especially when all these rumors are happening. This whole Hinman emails, all of that stuff that is happening within the lawsuit for XRP. There's a lot of rumors going around, and as you'll know, rumors are what is driving these prices to the upside of XRP. Imagine the day that we actually get a goddamn settlement. My man, let me tell you, the last time big XRP pumped, we went from 35 cents to 55 cents in a matter of days. Imagine what the price is going to do the day that we actually get a settlement. Guys, that is right around the corner. That is right around the corner. I can't stress out more to start stacking up on your XRP. Doesn't matter what price. $5 XRP, guys, if you buy it right now at 46 cents, that's a 10x on your money if it goes to $5. Let's look at the patterns. What do we have here? We have a trend line, a beautiful confirmation trend line. We got 1 touch, we got 2 touch, we have 3 touch. Okay, that means that this trend line is confirmed and that is weakening. Okay, every single time a trend line gets tested and tested and tested over and over again, one, that trend line becomes resistance if it's on top of the candle, and the weaker it gets, the more it keeps testing it, okay? So we're going to draw out our pattern. This is a bullish flag, by the way. Why? Because it looks like this. This is your bullish flag. Let me straighten it out. Boom, like that. There you go. And we're going to take the horizontal tool and we'll find out what is our apex zone. So this, what you're looking on the screen right now is called a bullish flag. It looks like a flag. It pretty much looks like a flag. And now this type of pattern is bullish because it tends to break 86% of the time. It tends to break to the upside. So we just have to figure out what time is it going to break to the upside. Well, we know that it's going to be every single time it tests that resistance line on the top. Could it be now? I have no idea. But if it comes back down, it tells you that it could bounce from here and then bounce back up again. The closer we get to this crossing point right here, this crossing point is called the apex zone. Okay, that means that that coin has to make a choice whether it's going to break to the upside or the downside. It's sort of like that boiling point, that pressure point of price action and money flow, just tightening in within that triangular formation, and then okay. Are we close to that apex zone? Hell yeah, we are. But I don't believe that we're going to have a major breakout happening today or tomorrow. It could be right around the corner. I just don't know when. But I'm locked and loaded that if it goes back down to 42 cents, I am stacking up on a shit ton of XRP. Okay? And I'm doubling down on my entry. Right now, we got 48%. I'm going to double it down if we go back down to 42 cents. I already have it triggered right here. These are all my entry prices. Look at this one. I got this one. I got this one. I got this one. All these trades just waiting to go to the moon, guys. If it goes back down to 42 cents, let's go. XRP to the moon, guys. Let me get some water, guys. I get too excited. I get too excited when I talk about XRP. Tato over on the Twitch is asking, are you using Streamlabs? No, I use OBS. But to stream on every platform at the same time, I'm using Restream. So I use Restream on OBS. Maybe that's why it's showing the rerun. I'll look into it. But I'm not 100% sure. Moving on to a little bit of Litecoin action. All right, so Litecoin, like I was talking about on yesterday's live stream, followed the rules to the money, to the dot. So right now, we have that Litecoin bounced from the 618. That was your entry signal to go in on a long on Litecoin, right? All the way down here at $77, guys. This was your trade. This actually kind of looks exactly like what XRP is doing. See, we have this curvature back up to the upside, but the only difference between Litecoin and XRP and the way that this chart is looking is that Litecoin found support above the 382. It's above the white line. And that's what I want to see on XRP. I want to see that XRP is above the white line. It's not yet. It's not yet. So that's why I'm telling you guys that we might start seeing some price action back down to 42 cents. But if it closes above the 382 out of fucking nowhere, above 48 cents, guys, hold on to that trade all the way up to 70 cents per XRP, guys. 70 cents per XRP. That is what Litecoin is trying to figure out to do right now. It found support above the 382. It bounced from the 618, found support above the 382. It broke out the 382. So that means that there is a high probability that we are going to see a $123 Litecoin right around the corner. Do with that information as you may. Trade it however the hell you want. But it has a high probability that it is going to break $123. Buy it now at 90, sell it at 123. Maybe it'll pull back down to the 382, but if it's found support within the 382, that's probably going to be a bounce point. So if you're going to trade this to the upside, make sure you enter at $86.83. 86.83. That is my entry price to go in on a long on Litecoin, $86.83. That's how I'm going to trade it. Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback to the 382. Go in on a long. Wait for the bounce all the way up to $123. Moving on to a little bit of Cardano action. Guys, look at Cardano. Oh my God. Cardano screaming it at you to buy me, buy me, buy me, please buy me. Guys, Cardano, don't sleep on Cardano. Fuck the news and fuck what everybody else is telling you. Don't base your decisions on news. Base your decisions on math. Learn how to read the charts. Everything is baked into the charts, guys. Everything. Wow, whoa, Jesus Christ. Look at this. TikTok just gave me like 100 notifications, my man. There is no way. How the hell am I supposed? How does that? They think I'm going to be able to read this. Let me see if I can. If I can't catch your messages, guys, I'm sorry. This just got like, it just throws it at me like immediately. I can't even. There's no way I can follow this 100%. My man, you are asking, bro, you've been investing in crypto for that long? Yes, bro. I've been in crypto. I remember when cryptocurrency, the first time I heard about Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin was a currency within a game. I think it was called Second Life. I heard it in a forum. I used to play Second Life. Well, that was a long time ago. That was 2009 or 2010. We heard about Bitcoin, and it was like this just voodoo coin that nobody paid attention to. And I started to get in on Bitcoin back then. I wanted to learn how to mine it. I wanted to learn how to buy it. You couldn't buy it anywhere. There wasn't an exchange to buy Bitcoin. If you would have mentioned Bitcoin back in 2010, people would have probably said that you were crazy, a loony bin for you. But I've been following Bitcoin since 2010 when it was a coin in a game called Second Life, and you could get it in the game by mining. It's just such a long time ago, bro. That was like what, 13 years ago. I don't remember what the hell I was doing yesterday. I'm going to remember what the hell I was doing 13 years ago. But I've been behind crypto since 2010. I got in on Bitcoin when it broke $100 in... When was it that Bitcoin broke $100? I think it was 2012. But in 2012, I heard about XRP. And the reason why I got into XRP back in 2012, my economics teacher, when I was in college back then, my economics teacher gave me a really good advice. You never go against banks. Banks never lose. It don't matter how many times they dump in the market or whatever is happening right now. Banks never lose. They always get bailed out, and money just magically appears, and banks never lose. When I heard that XRP was the banker's coin back in 2012, I said, you know what? I'm going to get in on this. And I bought XRP when it was less than a cent. It was 0.007 or 0.006, something like that. And I bought a shit ton. And I've been holding on to that XRP ever since. I sold a little bit when it went up at 2017. I never thought in my life that it was going to go up to $3 back in 2017. And it did. And I took some profits on the way up. And then it came back down to 25 cents. And then it dropped when the whole lawsuit happened all the way down to 15 cents. And I bought back in at 15 cents. And I've been holding on to that XRP ever since December 2020. And I'm going to ride that sucker all the way up to $5. That's my game plan. My game plan is I'm going to hold to my XRP. Every single time it dumps, whenever you get those flash dumps to the downside, I'm going to buy more XRP. I don't know what the hell I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to get another job or whatever, but I'm going to buy one more XRP. That's my trading plan for XRP. My target price is $5.89. That's how I'm going to play it out, guys. So yeah, I've been in this game for a long, long time. Big shout out over to Fred2494 over on the TikTok. How you doing, my man? It's all good or good. He's asking me, how about XLM? Hell yeah, we're going to talk about XLM. XLM actually comes after Cardano, so we're going to look at that right now. Give me a second. Big shout out to Crown him over on TikTok asking about Bitcoin. Talked about Bitcoin. These are my entry prices for Bitcoin right here. 23,340. Take a screenshot of that. That's when you're going to want to start stacking up on your Bitcoin. Big shout out to Angela for the follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out for Local89 for that follow over on the TikTok. HB Local, big shout out to you asking me, where are you living at? I live in Puerto Rico. As of right now, I am a resident in Puerto Rico. I love the island, love the people, love the food. I ain't going nowhere. I love the tax benefits. So if you're in crypto and you don't want to pay, capital gains taxes, come to Puerto Rico. You will not regret, guys. Puerto Rico's freaking awesome. Big shout out to Brand. Thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. JK, thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to Norman. Share the live, share the wealth, share the love. You know how it is. Big shout out to Roberto over in the TikTok. Go long. I am on a long on XRP right now. 47%, guys. 47%. Choco over on the TikTok. XRP dead, bro. Most likely. I don't know. I'm still going to buy more XRP. It don't matter if it's dead or not. Not my opinion. I believe it ain't. So I'm just going to keep buying more XRP. If it actually goes to zero, then I'm buying more XRP at zero. It is what it is. Aaron, big shout out to Aaron over on the TikTok. Banks never lose. Lol. I know, right? Let's check out the charts for the banks. They are dropping to the downside, guys. Banks suck. That's why it's so important to give custody to your own crypto, guys. Custody of your own money. I believe that money should be for the people, by the people, for the people. You know? Fuck banks. Fuck governments. Custody your own private keys. Oh, and speaking about custody of my own private keys, somebody here is asking me over what do I think about Ledger. Guys, I used to be a major ambassador promoting Ledger. Actually, there's a news that came out today. Check this out, guys. I was going to talk about this later on, but check this out, guys. Crypto wallet provider Ledger delays key recovery service after uproar. Guys, the internet is powerful, my man. Even if you think that you're doing the right thing, one simple mistake can ruin your entire company. There's 3 things in this world that you do not mess with. 3 things. You don't mess with cats. You don't mess with kids. And you don't mess with your private keys. Ledger started messing with private keys. In what world are you going to provide secure private key storage if you're just going to be sharing it with whoever asks for them? That makes no sense. And you're probably wondering, well, I just have to opt in. No, my brother. You do not just have to opt in to the key recovery service. Why? Because you can install Bluetooth scripts into your Ledger device that can extract the keys and send it to a Discord server. And I'm not telling you that I did that. I'm never, ever, ever going to tell you that I did that. But it is highly possible to do something like that just because of the fact that it is written within the code of your software within your Ledger. If you update to the latest software, a lot of people updated to the latest software without knowing that that's what the doors were opening to. The whole key recovery service. What is the whole key recovery service? Which makes sense if you're new to crypto and you just want to add another layer of protection to your private keys. I don't need another layer of protection. I don't need anybody to put their hands into my private keys. I keep custody of my private keys. I know how to protect them. Nobody's going to find them. And if I die, my crypto goes with me. You understand? Because nobody has access to my private keys. So if that is something that interests you, if that is something that bothers you, knowing that Ledger can share your private keys to a third party or the government, if they get subpoenaed to look for your private keys, whatever the hell it is that you did, and don't give the government excuse to do something like that for you, to you. But they can do that. They can do that. Take that option out of the table, custody your own crypto, your own private keys, and forget about Ledger. I am using right now the LEPAL. Okay. This is an LEPAL. We talked about this yesterday on yesterday's live stream. It is air gapped. It doesn't have Wi-Fi, doesn't have Bluetooth, doesn't have NFC. There is no way to connect this to the internet whatsoever. Nobody can steal the private keys whatsoever. If somebody tampers and opens the ledger, it has a self-destruct. Bye-bye private keys. I ran over this with my car just to test it out. This is a test product, not a scratch on it. Man, I'm going to shoot it, see if it's bulletproof. Stick around, I might live stream it. That's going to be one hell of a kick-ass video, right? Is the LEPAL Titan Cold Wallet bulletproof? That's going to come real soon. Guys, custody your own private keys. Okay? Custody your own private keys, and don't let anybody have a backdoor hand into your private keys. Get an LEPAL device, lepal.com. And there's many other options out there. I'm going to be reviewing them as they come in. I ordered a bunch of different ones so I can test them out. And I will let you guys know. But for now, the cold winner or the cold wallet war for me is LEPAL. Okay? LEPAL. And that is my thoughts on Ledger. Getting away as far away as I can from Ledger devices. Christian over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Christian said, can you please analyze ApeCoin? ApeCoin? I never heard of that. Let's look at ApeCoin. Let's do a little bit of market research. Coin market cap. ApeCoin? Is that a thing? Yeah, it is. ApeCoin. Oops. Let's look at ApeCoin, guys. What is ApeCoin right here? It's trading at $3.50. Let me look at the old time. Oh, look at that. It's went to the downside. Wonder what they did. What is ApeCoin? ApeCoin. It is traded on pretty much big exchanges. That's what I like to see. I like to see that it's traded on exchanges. So that is step number one. All right. It is an ERC20 token. Low 342. Okay. Let's look at ApeCoin. All right. Let's check out ApeCoin. We always go to the daily chart first, right? We always start with the daily. What is the daily telling me right here? Let's zoom out. So apparently this coin came out a few months ago. It's not being traded that much, at least not on KuCoin. We have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So let's draw out our Fibonacci on those zones right there, and let's see what's happening on the macro point of view. Boom. Now, for ApeCoin, my man, check this out. ApeCoin broke through the 618 on the Fibonacci. It broke through the downside. Now, here's the analogy that I want you to see when you're looking on any coin, and it breaks through the downside on the 618. If you're walking down the street on pavement, right? You're walking down the street and you take your next step and that step does not go on the floor and it breaks through the downside. What do you think your trust issues are going to do whenever you start walking on that same street? You're not going to trust it anymore, correct? That's what happens when a 618 gets broken through to the downside. That means that the 618 becomes resistance instead of it being the best support you're going to get for that asset. Your best bet is always the 618. It normally 86% of the times it bounces from the 618. If it doesn't and it breaks to the downside, the 618 becomes resistance. And that is so horribly bad to break. It takes a bunch of volume, money flow to break a 618. Right now, it's trading below the $3.67 mark. You want to wait for that to find support within the 618. Right now, I wouldn't be trading it. Okay, I wouldn't be trading it because I see that there might be some potential, even more potential to the downside. I don't know what ApeCoin does. I don't know what they're for. I don't know their team. I haven't done any research whatsoever on this coin, if they're actually a good coin and what it is that they do. But the math alone found support on the 618 over here. This was your entry price, and boom, it did not break the 382. What's rule number one? Find support on the 618. What's rule number two? Break out of the 382. It did not. It became resistance, and it came back down to the 618. What I wanted to see was a bounce from there, but it didn't. It broke through the bottom. So ApeCoin for me is a no-go until it closes above the 618, the golden zone on the Fibonacci. Okay. If it closes above $3.67, I will start stacking up on some ApeCoin if that is what you want to go for. I'm not a meme coin buyer. I don't do these type of coins, but that's how I would play it if it was ApeCoin. Okay. I would wait for the close above the 618. Okay? If it doesn't close to above the 618, then let's do our Fibonacci the other way around. We have a high, we have a low, and we have a pullback on the low. In other words, in reverse, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a pullback on the low. Okay. And it wicked on the Fibonacci retracement tool to the downside. What does that tell me? It tells me that there is a high probability that it is going to touch the negative zone on the 382 at $2.89. So if you are willing to get in on Ape, best target price to start stacking up on some Ape, if you're trying to catch that bottom, remember it can go lower, it would be $2.90. That's how I would play it out. $2.90. That is my entry price on ApeCoin. Boom. Spitting out facts, guys. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe. Choco over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Choco. Better investing in Pepe. No, let's look at Pepe. Pepe coin. If there is a goddamn coin in this world that I missed, was goddamn Pepe coin. It was one of those moments. Like, what the hell happened to? Yeah. Goddamn meme coins, guys. Wait, no. Let me look at it somewhere else. Not. Go to Binance. The daily charts. Oh, guys, look at Pepe coin. God damn. Pepe coin is trading at 160. Wow. Bro, I saw this shit when it went all the way up to here. To 380. Whoa. Now, talk about a pump and dump, huh? That is nasty. That is a nasty. That is a nasty shot right there. But anyway, we have a low. We have a high. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. So let's draw out our Fibonacci. We have a low. Put it on the low. Drag it to the high. And look at this, guys. We have a low, we have a high, we have a pullback on the high, and it bounced exactly on the 0.5. Right there. This was your entry signal to go in on a long on Pepe coin, and you would have banked quite nicely. It broke through the 382. Okay, broke through the 382. That gives you the signal that we might start seeing price action on Pepe coin all the way up here to 270. 270. Okay. Do with that information as you may, but it kind of looks like Pepe is having a little bit of a recovery action to the upside. I don't know. If you guys like meme coins, do what you got to do. Big shout out to Wellit over on the TikTok. Thank you for the follow, my man. Thank you for the follow. Timmy, thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. Crypto Mike over on the TikTok. Can you do Gala? Let's look at Gala. Shit, hell yeah, we can go look at Gala. Gala coin. All right. Let's look at Gala. Looking, oh, wait, let me zoom out. I like to start with the daily charts first. Ooh, look at this nice, beautiful, bullish action, price action right here on this pattern. We have a low. We have a high. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. So let's do our Fibonacci retracement. We have a low. We have a high. All right. Look at that, guys. Simple coin to look at, guys. It actually looks really nice. I like this formation right here. So we had that pullback right here to the 0.5. That was your signal to get in on some Gala action to the upside. Okay. It broke through the 382. It broke through the 382 and it found support on the 382 and it bounced from there. That was another signal to get in on Gala. Then he came back down, broke through the 382 back down to the 618. What does that tell you? That means that your entry price for your next entry price for Gala is right here. I'm going to write it down for you guys right here. Right here. Boom. 0.02646. When do you want to start stacking on some Gala action? That price right there is 2 cents, 2646 on some Gala action. Okay. If it bounces from there, which most likely it will because it's the golden zone, it's the highest demand zone for that asset at 2 cents. If it bounces from there, what is your next target price? Your next target price to start taking some profits to the upside is this one right here. I'll write it down right here. 0.03685. And there we go. Oops. That is your trading action right there. You buy it at 2 cents, you sell it at 3 cents and walk away with a very nice hefty 38% on your trade. 38%. Shit, I'll take 38% any day. Yeah. Why not? 38%? Bro. Where are you going to get 38% anywhere else in the world on a single trade? Ain't going to happen. That's my trading plan right there for Gala action. I hope you like it. Write it down. Take a screenshot. Do whatever you got to do. But this is how I would trade it. I would get in at 2646 and I would sell it at 3 cents, 3685. Tato over on the Twitch is asking, I like food and family in Puerto Rico, also friends like you and maybe 1 or 2 more, but that's it. I have better benefits here in the USA, still a matter of opinion. Hey, bro, do what you got to do, whatever makes you more comfortable in life. I like Puerto Rico because of the tax benefits, but if I had a choice, I would get the hell out of here as quickly as possible. Everything is so goddamn difficult in Puerto Rico. Yeah, we got the greatest beaches in the world, and the women are beautiful. The food is great, but god damn. Try getting a goddamn root canal. It's going to take you like 6 months. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Everything is so goddamn hard in Puerto Rico. But the tax benefits are wonderful. You don't pay capital gains taxes as long as you import and export out of Puerto Rico. So, yeah. Things you got to go look into if you're going to make a life decision like that. But if I had a choice, I would get the hell out of here immediately. But I don't, so I'm stuck. Tato over saying over on the Twitch, wait, you're doing daily streams? Yes, I am streaming daily, 5 p.m. Eastern, every day. Monday through Friday, if I can, obviously. Make sure you follow the Discord. Everything and all the announcements are in the Discord. Make sure you subscribe to the Discord. Link on my bio or link below the description of this video if you're looking at it on a platform. But yeah, guys, that is my plan for Gala. Any other coins you want to look at, guys? Let's keep scrolling down over here on the TikTok. Raffle X, big shout out to you, Raffle X. Very good information telling me over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Raffle X. Timmy Thank you for that subscribe, that follow over on the TikTok. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the love, my man. It's all good, good. Kimmy, you're here every single day, Kimmy. What are you gonna do, my man? Are you in the Discord, my man? Go to the Discord. I don't see you on the Discord. Are you in the Discord? Subscribe to the Discord, man. Let's talk over there. Let's do whatever you want to do. Let's hang out. Big shout out to Ray Ray over on the TikTok. Interesting, bro. No, and you interesting, my man. You interesting. Man, this is too damn fast. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to search for a way to tie TikTok to my restream. That way I can look at one chat box because, man, you guys got a bunch of questions. That's wonderful. I love to see the interaction, but god damn. Kimi saying, or can I DM you on Instagram? Hell yeah, you can DM me on Instagram. You can DM me anywhere. Will I answer? That's a whole other question. You can DM me. Yeah, I don't care. Tesla, big shout out to Morningstar. Tesla, bearish or bullish? I'll give you the answer, the quick answer. Because I don't do stocks on this channel. This is not financial advice, but the same thing that you learn applying from crypto, you can apply it to stocks. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes. Then what do? You draw your Fibonacci. Let's do the Fibonacci over on Tesla. And look at that, guys. Tesla found support within the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. It bounced from there. It broke the 382. So rule number 1, found support on the golden zone. Rule number 2, it breaks the 382. What's rule number 3? Take your profits at the negative 382. So what is it telling me? It's telling me that there is a high probability that it is going to go up to $290. $290 per Tesla stock. Do with that information as you may. This is not financial advice whatsoever. But it has a high probability that it might close above $290. When? I have no idea. But if it was me, I'm bullish on Tesla. Bullish on Tesla. Okay? I mean, zoom out. What is this? Look at this. Zoom out to the upside. It's going to keep going to the upside until it doesn't. I keep saying that it is. I'm actually eyeing on buying a Tesla, by the way. Getting a little small Tesla, going electric, full-on electric. If you guys have a Tesla, let me know if it actually drives well. I've never driven a Tesla before. But I'm kind of eyeing my way into getting into the whole electric business. Getting myself a off-grid scenario, going off-grid with a Tesla. If there's better choices, let me know. I know nothing about cars. Nothing about cars. Stevie XRP, big shout out to you, Stevie, over on the TikTok. XRP, there can only be one. Yes. And it'll be XRP. I don't care about what naysayers say. If they don't want to buy XRP, hey, good for them. That's more XRP for me and you, Stevie. Copycat. Thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. User 99, big shout out to you, saying, bro, can you do after this waves, please? Huh? You mean waves? Is that a coin? I've never heard of that. Yeah, it is a coin. So obviously do your own research. We start with the research. What does it do? Is it actually a good coin? Does it have use case? Does it have supply? What's the demand for it? What's the price range? You do all of what's the circulating supply? We do all of that first before we even go in considering a coin. You do your own research. If you think that it's a good team, they're doing the right thing, you're not going to get rug pulled, which obviously every single coin out there can do for you, then you do your price ranges. So let's look at waves. Okay, so let's zoom out on the daily. Ooh. Okay, my man. So waves is a classic pump and dump. I don't know what they did to deserve this, but this formation right here is the triangle of doom. Not saying that it won't keep going to the upside. It has huge potential to go in on the upside. And if you're going to go in, actually now would be a fantastic time, because it actually reached all the way down to the bottom of its launch price after the pump, meaning that there is a high probability that this shit could happen again. Why not? It's on the bottom of the price range. The bottom. Yeah. I would start stacking up on some wave action happening real soon. Look at this. God damn. Let's zoom in. Ooh, look at this price spiky spike. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Now is a great time to start stacking up on some wave coin. Look at that. Look at this nice price action to the upside. Do with that information as you may. But this sucker right here came back down to its initial price offering right over here at $1.50. If we could get it back down to $1.50, I would get in at $1.50. God, I wish I was looking at this back here. What the hell was I doing in January? God damn it, I don't look at these. Guys, you got to let me know these things. Got to let me know these things. We got to look at these coins all the time. Wave looking kind of saucy to the upside, guys. Wave. Raffle X over on the TikTok saying, I got into your live right after you said what price to get in on XRP. Quick recap on XRP. You're going to want to get in at, let me write it down right here. I actually didn't give you the price. 42,746. That is what I believe the best price is to get in on high demand on XRP. If it doesn't close above the 382. If 382 becomes the 48 cent mark becomes resistance, price to the downside. When? On the 618 on the Fibonacci. 42 cents. So if you're going to if you want to accept some limit buy orders, some automatic buy orders on XRP, 42 cents is a great price to start in. Okay. Moving on to some lumens. Before we go to lumens, let me keep scrolling down over here. Guys, big shout out to everybody who followed over on the TikTok. You guys are freaking amazing. All right, XLM, Casey, my man. I'm going to call you Casey. I don't even know how to pronounce that. I'm going to call you Casey. Casey, my man, asking over XLM. We're looking on XLM right now. XLM, look at that, guys. Just like yesterday's live stream, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high, and it's trading exactly on the bottom on the Fibonacci. The bottom zone, guys, it's right there on the 618. Highest demand zone for XLM is right now at 8 cents. Could it go lower? Of course it can go lower. It can break the 618 and then it becomes resistance, and that's going to suck balls. But if it actually breaks to the upside as support, which is, by the way, this is the best time to get in on XLM. Best highest demand right now, 8 cents. 881 exact, actually right now, like on this moment right now. God damn. Getting in on some XLM action to the upside. Casey, my man, if you're on the ropes to getting some XLM, I'm going to get some XLM right now on the 618. So rule number one on the Fibonacci retracement tool is playing out. We got that action on XLM. It's trading exactly where you want it to buy in. What's rule number two? It needs to close above the 382. So you have all this price action, all this potential price action to the upside. In other words, it kind of looks like XRP, what XRP was doing a few days ago, and we took advantage of that one. Let's take advantage of this one too. It's going on a long on XLM. Put your stop losses just in case it doesn't go our way and it breaks to the downside. It is what it is. It can happen. Of course it can. But if it doesn't and it goes to the upside, 9 cents, that's my take profit. So right now, Casey, I'm getting in on XLM. Scrolling down here, guys, it's a lot of notifications. I'm going to see if I can get a notify. Is there a bot out there, like a chat bot I can use for TikTok? Because I'm reading it from my phone. I'm pretty sure there has to be a chat bot for TikTok. I know that these professional streamers use it. I know it's somewhere around there. I have no idea what it is. Big shout out to Hunter Fuentes. Thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. It's nice. Snicer over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. Perfect Ponzi scheme pyramid. You were talking about waves, right? Were we looking at waves? The Ponzi scheme wave? I don't know what they do. I don't know exactly what they did to deserve this entire pull down to the original price. But from now on, I'm going to call this the pyramid scheme formation. This is the pyramid scheme pattern. Thank you, Snizzler. I'm going to take that from you. I'm going to use it. I mean, there's no reason why people shouldn't be making money on any of this. Take advantage. Look at the math. Do what you got to do. Tato over on the Twitch. That's cool. I don't know, and Twitch not always gives me notifications. Yeah, I don't know how none of those work. That's why I have my Discord. I always put a notification on the Discord, guys. So if you want to keep getting more messages and more live streams and whatnot, notifications, make sure you subscribe to my Discord. It's completely free. You guys get notified, and you can ask me any questions that you have over on the chats. I'm always in my Discord 24 hours a day. Tato over on the Twitch saying, I'll try to be here every time I see you are here. Thank you, Tato. Thank you for the support, my man. You know how it is. We brothers. You asking what you're looking for. So I'm looking for a chat bot that I can use for TikTok, because this is the size right here. This is the size of the chat bot on my phone for TikTok. And guys, right now I have 1,100 people right here. And you guys have great questions, and I don't want to miss them. So if I wanted to see if there was a chat bot that I can use, so I can use a bigger screen so I can read everything out loud. I don't want to miss you. I don't want to miss you guys asking me questions. That's just what I'm here for. But if I don't get to it, make sure that you go to the Discord, guys. Link on my bio. You can ask any questions. I'm there 24 hours a day. Thank you, Rundi. Big shout out to Rundi over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Necro, big shout out to you, Necro. Thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. Let's go in. Let's keep moving, guys. Moving on to some Solana action. What is Solana doing right now? Solana, let's zoom in on the daily chart. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So we do our Fibonacci retracement tool. Oops. Move this out of the way. Technical issues. Let's do the low. Drag it to the high. All right. So what is Solana doing right now? Is it trading within the golden zone? No, it is not. If it's not trading within the golden zone, what do? You wait for the price to go to the golden zone. This is a no trade zone for me. If it's stuck between the 0 point and the 382, That's a no trade zone for me because I don't know what the market is going to do. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I have no idea. But I do know that there is high demand for Solana at $12 and $14. So if I was a betting man and I'm waiting for price action to go to the downside on Solana, these are my two target price action for Solana to get in right now. $14.83 and $12.83. So I set my limit buy orders for those two zones right there if you guys want to start stacking up on your Solana action. I believe there's going to be a pullback happening around the corner for Bitcoin, and everything gets dragged down when Bitcoin dumps. Those are your entry prices if you guys want to get in on Solana. $14.83 and especially $12.83. There might be a bounce on those two zones right there. Catch it if you can, like the Pokemon. Try to get that Solana, guys. Mr. ER, thank you for the follow over on the TikTok. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for that major support over on TikTok. You guys are killing it. This is why I do it, guys. It's for you guys. It's true if we can make some money. Let's make some money, guys. Joe Frizz, big shout out to you, my man, Joe Frizz. I got time for one more coin. Joe Frizz is asking for AVAX. Let's look at AVAX. Actually, I used to use AVAX for an NFT project that I was doing a long time ago. AVAX is pretty freaking awesome. I love their blockchain. That's a good coin to have in your portfolio, guys, because the technology actually works. I like AVAX. I like their chain. It was super quick. It was super cheap. I liked it a lot. But I haven't traded AVAX in such a long ass time. But let's find out, guys. Let's go to the daily chart. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So let's do our Fibonacci retracement tool. Look at that, guys. Oh, my man. AVAX bouncing. Gave you two chances to get in on AVAX. Two chances. It bounced exactly on the 618 and bounced again yesterday. So, my man Frizz, if you're in on the ropes to get in on some AVAX action, right now, there it is. It's on the 618. If I were a betting man and I wanted to stack up on some AVAX, I would do it right now. Right now. Okay? Oh, man, look at that. Dude, this is a double bottom action happening right now. Double bottoms are mega bullish. XLM, super bullish. AVAX, extra bullish on AVAX. Put your stop losses just in case it doesn't go our way. I could be full of shit and this fucker's thumb spike tomorrow goes to zero. Of course it can. Highest demand zone, 618 on the Fibonacci. So I'm following the rules of the game. This game comes with instructions. Let's follow them. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I have for you today. Thank you for stopping by. I had a lot of fun reading out your comments, guys. TikTok is absolutely killing it. TikTok, what are you waiting for to give me a goddamn stream key so I can give you even better OBS tied content? God, guys, thank you for the likes over on the TikTok. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for stopping by. Remember, guys, I stream every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you subscribe to whatever platform you are looking on me at. Like, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube. Do whatever you got to do. If you're on TikTok, make sure you follow. Make sure that whenever you get that stream notification, you come in and you ask any questions that you guys have. If I wasn't able to get to your questions, make sure that you go to my Discord. Discord is completely free. You can ask any questions that you guys have there. I am there 24 hours a day. If you guys want to do any analysis whatsoever on whatever coin you're on the ropes and you don't know what to do, go to my Discord and ask as many questions as you want over on the public chat box. So yeah, guys, thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I will see you guys again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a good one. God bless and take care.